Managing your Uber Eats gift card balance.
Hello there, food enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to talk about what happens when your Uber Eats order total exceeds the value of your gift card. We all love ordering our favorite meals right to our doorstep, and using an Uber Eats gift card is a convenient way to pay for those delicious treats. But what if the order total is more than the gift card amount? Let's explore.
Understanding how Uber Eats gift cards work.
Uber Eats gift cards can be a great way to treat someone or yourself to meals from your favorite restaurants. They work much like any other gift card. You load them with a specific amount of money and then use that balance towards your Uber Eats purchases.
What happens when your order exceeds your gift card value?
Now, to the main point of our discussion. If your order total exceeds the value of your Uber Eats gift card, you'll need to pay the difference. When you're checking out, the app will automatically use the gift card balance first. If the cost of your order is more than your gift card balance, you'll be prompted to select an additional payment method for the remaining amount.
Can you use multiple payment methods?
Absolutely. Uber Eats allows you to use multiple payment methods for a single order. This feature comes in handy when the cost of your order exceeds your gift card balance. You can use any combination of credit, debit cards, PayPal, or another Uber Eats gift card to cover the remaining cost. That's all there is to it. Remember, your Uber Eats gift card is just one way to pay for your meals, and if your order total exceeds the gift card balance, you can easily use another payment method to cover the rest. Enjoy your meal, and keep exploring all the mouth-watering options on Uber Eats. Hope you found this video helpful, and happy ordering!